Astronauts can't burp in space. The lack of gravity means gas bubbles don't rise in their stomachs like they do on Earth. Instead, all that gas mixes together with liquid, causing uncomfortable, wet burps that can bring up actual food. And it gets weirder. Space travelers have to drink their beverages from sealed pouches with straws to prevent liquid from floating away. Even their tears don't fall. They just form bubbles around their eyes until wiped away. Next time you burp on Earth, consider yourself lucky. At least your gas knows which way is up.